My God, what did you eat?
Add 5 eggs to the mixing bowl and whisk until the eggs are nice and frothy. Set that aside. Add 1 cup of caramel bits and 8 ounces of cream cheese to a 2-quart pan and melt together over low to medium heat. Careful not to burn it. Add 1 cup of heavy cream, mix that in. Add your 5 eggs and mix that in. Pour it into a 9 by 13 parchment lined pan. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 35 minutes or until your knife comes clean. You know what I mean. After cooling, lift it out of the tray. Cut and serve. Oh yeah.